Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Big Bird, one of the most loved characters on Sesame Street, has recently revealed in a fake interview that he is transgendered, and is not actually a male, but a female. She will now be a female character for the remainder of the series, and is encouraging children to be loving and supportive towards everyone.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Former Sesame Street writer Mark Saltzman said Bert and Ernie's relationship was modeled after his own with his life partner, Arnold Glassman. Iconic Sesame Street puppets Bert and Ernie are a couple, according to a former writer for the show.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.